All right, here's a little later model car compared to what we're used to seeing around here at Unique, especially in classics. There's a 2002 Chrysler 300M. Story in this car is we do consider trades, obviously. This was taken in on trade. We sold a 2009 G8 is what this came in on. It is a one-owner car, slightly over 150,000 miles. It was adult driven and owned. A gentleman's wife's car that drove this. Very well taken care of. Service work and everything done to it since his wife was driving it. And the car has been taken care of. This one would have the 3.5 liter V6 in it. 4-speed automatic transmission with the auto stick. Also nicely equipped, moonroof, leather, heated seats, driver's information center. Paint on it, it does show its miles. You're going to have a few nicks and dings and touch-ups up here in the hood and what have you. But as far as a nice little reliable driver, inexpensive car, check it out. It's going to be a good price. Someone that just needs a car to get around. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. That's where we can be reached at. You can check out the interior pics and the underside pics at uniqueclassiccars.com also. Or look down below this video in the description. There'll be a link you can click on. It'll take you right there. Like I said, nice, inexpensive little commuter car, kid's first car. A lot of miles left in this one yet. Once again, one owner, 2002 Chrysler 300M. Chrome wheels. We're going to go ahead and I'll show you the interior, start this up too. So you're going to check it out. Like I said, leather interior. Is missing the little switch for switching mirrors left or right for the power mirrors. As you can see, carpeting nice in it. Seats in nice shape. Non-smoker. No smoking in this one, so no odor or anything like that. Back seat looks about like brand new. Check that out in the still pictures. Let's go ahead and start it up. I think it's 151,000 miles there. You can see it, like I said, a little over 150. I would start it up if I had the keys right here. All right, let me pause this a second till I get the keys. All right, got the keys here, so let's fire this up and let you hear it run. We'll check out underneath the hood. As you can see, close the door here. No warning indicator lights on there. Just a seat belt, since I don't have the seat belt strapped, and again, 151,000 miles. Otherwise, very nice shape. And the interior in here, no cracked dash or anything like that. So let's go ahead and pop the hood. While I'm in here, let's slip out and take a look at underneath there. All right, here's a 3.5 liter high output V6. Just what you'd expect it to look like underneath the 2002 300M hood. Again, so if you're looking for inexpensive driver, maybe kid's first car, something to get back and forth to work, well taken care of, one owner. Again, 2002 300M, about 150,000 miles on it, slightly over. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Or, of course, you can check out the still pictures, check out the interior, the undersides. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description, and I'll take you right there. Of course, you need any assistance with the shipping of this car to where you're located at, we can sure help you with that too. Give us a call.